Then the trending stories where they are around us right about now. We will also open our phone line for now to do it, for now to contribute for any of the stories where interest now. Make now also know. So we get 3 solid telephone line for now. When I mean 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 solid telephone line for now, and 1 toll free line where we say now go fit call at now on freeway, call down way now when I will fit call, so that we go fit they move on with this communication and show a better way to do it to move our country forward. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi, and this now Ask Ide.
As we dey always talk, every Friday we dey lock shop, dey carry key go. But based on say our ear, dey always dey ground. All of the action tori wey happen for the weekend, we dey gather and come so that everybody go get the chance to talk am on Monday. We go start with insecurity matter. Everybody know say e come be like say for a very long time inside our obodo Nigeria, every week we must get one kind story wey get to do with Boko Haram Jaguda people. This one carry good news somehow. Because our soldier people dem, they don already promise us say, come December 31st, 2015, say they go make sure with all the hard work when they do, they go pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for inside this our country. And some of the work when they don dey do, we don dey see say yes, if we give them all the support and we stand chin for the back of our government, it is very, very possible. The acting director of Army Public Relations, Colonel Sani Usman, talk say soldiers when the 5th Brigade, say dem carry waka enter inside some kind places inside Borno State, dem come rout Boko Haram forces. Say as Boko Haram Jaguda people get wind, say that they come, then take off, abandon a lot of their property there. Dem talk say when they reach inside that place, they see solar panels, that is instruments wey we say dem fit use generate power, electricity, even if light no dey or transformer no dey available. Say plenty food items na the people abandon as they take off. Some of their instruments when they take fight sef, they abandon them. They can also see caves, house when they dig enter inside ground, and they see fortified sites when we say they carry different things where they use the train inside that place. Then destroy all these ones. Come at the Assure Nigeria and say any information when you get about Jaguda people or people will be like say that they support them, make you give our soldier people so that they go act on top of them quick and bad thing no go happen again inside this our obodo Nigeria. It can't get another one when happen. We go talk say na sad one, but it can't be like say na boomerang, because the bad plan when they get, it can't come back to affect them. As some kind of people when we say they wear bomb for their body, say they won't enter inside Maiduguri go cause mayhem. It be like say the thing just come out and they can't explode, can't die inside the whole explosion. We they talk and say we support our gallant troops them, and we they enjoin everybody for Nigeria say make we support our government so that these people when we say that they destroy lives, that they destroy property, they not go succeed inside our obodo Nigeria, because as one Nigeria we go move this our country forward.
Yes, from that Boko Haram story, we will carry enter tribunal. When I mean tribunal, and the Rivers State election will take place in April. Tribunal don't sit over them and they don't do it, and they don't pass their own judgment on top of them. And the 3-man tribunal, that is headed by Justice Suleiman Abusa, on Saturday declared say, hey, Oga Wike, yes, on Wike way that say he win the election that day. Say no be him winner. Say as a matter of fact, say no be him winner. Say that election, say just carry weight. Say for that reason, say they go need to do it. They go need to cancel and make them do. And that fresh election, that is what I mean fresh election, a totally fresh election for that state in the next 90 days. And now within the tribunal talk with that, I will also bear in mind say Oga Peter side, Dakuku Peter side will be the candidate of the APC. Carry this matter, go tribunal, talk, say, hey, say this election, what they do for April, say, that is guru plenty inside, different things. So they deny in people, that in fact, Rivers State people from doing it, from casting their vote. And then we don't also hear counter reaction from this same talk. Oga Nyesom Wike, through in spokesperson, through in lawyer, and through the lawyer of PDP, will be the ruling party way in win. That is Chris Uche. Don't come and talk, say, hey, that way tribunal they talk, not their own. No. Say they no go accept them at all. Say waiting tribunal they talk. How they go talk say Nyesom Wike no win election. Say for this reason, say they will carry and go further, carry and go court of appeal, go do it in, go question the matter, present and then make them know as they go take assessment to know whether true, whether Nyesom Wike win the election or not. We don't also see jubilation from the opposition. Say yes, so at least we dey see tribunal they carry out their work. Make we see as the whole matter go eventually. We dey look and our eyes dey open onto this issue.
The next one get to do with the director of Radio Biafra, Oga Nnamdi Kanu. Everybody knows say for some time now, the ogbonge joint body wey be say that they watch as people they put information outside for this our obodo Nigeria. Don't talk say the kind work when they do the thing they illegal. Based on say they don't check the kind information when they put out, they go see say that information somehow the thing fit spoil things for inside this our obodo Nigeria. But based on saying he talk say wetin they do, you know they bad and na true in the talk, he continue to put the information out there until our security people they can't spread their net, come babam, and now in the inside detention. But some people don't come and talk say, our law talk say, if you catch person, if the person don't there for your detention for some time, you go carry and go court. If you don't carry the person go court, then be say, I go speak English. You don't dey infringe on the rights of the person. But wetin we dey talk be say, Dr. Nnamdi, Oga Nnamdi Kanu, make I no make mistake. Oga Nnamdi Kanu, even though we talk say everybody gets right to express themselves because of that democracy we dey, it is very, very important. Make we dey emphasize say we get process when we say you fit use register your displeasure if you no happy with wetin you dey see, rather than go the way when we say the thing go come cause problem and issue inside our obodo Nigeria. But based on the way when the case dey, some people don come and come talk say if they no release Oga Nnamdi Kanu, say they go make sure say the Nigerian embassy when they for India, they go do something for inside that place, and something when we say e no go good because Oga Presido they visit India on official 3-day visit. Wetin we dey also tell those ones now say if you leave your country go another man country come dey make noise, if dem decide say they wan do something to you, you go bear the consequences. So e dey very, very important say even though we dey register our displeasure, make we dey do am the right way so that we no go even cause more problem for the issue wey we dey discuss.
Yes, the next story we'll get for now the story of waiting. That is the committee chairman. Then where they do it, where the speaker, that is Yakubu Dogara, where he do it, he appoints. That is the majority leader will be Oga Femi Gbajabiamila. Don't talk say. Say that committee list where Oga Dogara do bring us. Say he no even they that is he no know about him. Say do it, say they just do it. He just hold that meeting within caucus, people way they around them. They do it and they nominate people. Constantly, this person go head this committee, this person go head this committee. Say they don't even consult them at all. Say and this thing, this action, it falls short of the collective agreement when they don't agree. Say they go they do it. They go ensure say they work together to make sure say at least anything that has to do with the affair of the country they do them collectively. Oga Femi Gbajabiamila also come and talk say this matter say now. Around 10 a.m. of that same day where Oga Dogara do it in and mention the people who go head this different committee. Now that 10 a.m. morning, I him see the list for the first time before Oga Dogara can't do it, can't announce the head committee chairman them and everybody will be members of the committee and this thing. That's members of the committee. You can't say that one for sure. Say Oga Dogara just taking your own decision with your own people. Say they're not consultant at all.
The next information we will get to do with Fulani headsmen. As Oga Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso don't come out for one kind small party when the Old Boys of Government College, Old Boys Association they do over the weekend. He come and talk say people they talk say make them use force pursue Fulani headsmen come up for the different parts of the country when they and they talk say that they cause problem. He come talk say that one no go solve the problem at all. Say Fulani headsmen issue no be wetin that they use force they do. He talk about education, say him papa go school, he himself go school. Say he believe say if those people then go school, they're going to say other ways they when we say person if use they take care of cattle, they add to the economy of this our country rather than they enter bush, they risk in life. In talk say make we no use force. Say make we call on the government, make them do their best to ensure say we get grazing sites and ranches where we say Fulani herdsmen go there, they take care of their cattle because we also need the cattle. We dey very, very happy say Oga Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso when we say he himself na senior man for government don dey talk the same thing wey we dey talk, and we believe say those wey dey government go hear am, take the necessary action, so that this case of herdsmen no go be like Boko Haram Jaguda people own tomorrow.
Yes, and the next story and the final story wey I feel say we get for now, we don hear right about now say they don name successor. That is according to multiple sources. Say they don name successor for the for the Ooni of Ife wey pass out some months back, and according to the source wey we dey get, we hear say na Prince Adeyeye Ogunwusi na him emerge as the new Ooni of Ife. We dey here, we go talk say not until we get a proper confirmation or proper information, we go fit say yes, the news na true. But going by wetin we dey hear, we hear say na the governor of Osun State, that's the Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, na him do it, na him announce the person wey go succeed the late Ooni of Ife, that is the Shuju Ade wey pass on some months back. Make we still do it, make we still fold our hand. They wait until the proper information. We go, at least the information go around, we know say yes, true, we don't get new Ooni of Ife. Make we still wait on top of that story.
Now all the stories wey we carry come from this weekend, that is from Friday when we lock shop, enter this early morning when be Monday. All these 6 stories that we don't drop now, we go throw the phone lines open so that you sef go call to chook mouth for inside this matter and talk am the way when the thing pay you for body. Nkubi, this issue of insecurity don't turn something when we say, be like say every week. In fact, every day weekend, for inside this our country.
Just like saying a feast, they do normally every weekend from Friday. No, they happen often, but then just like say Friday to Sunday, things they normally go, you understand? Just like said, then they carry out different attacks, different places. You go also be in mind, say like last week, the mosque where they attack, you understand? Friday night they carry out those attacks where people pie, like you understand. So I mean, maybe now still we believe in our military force. I will not say yes, they do it, they ginger themselves well to ensure say at least they put off this thing completely.
Very true. And so everybody knows say the issue of insurgency no be waiting that they fight or that they put date on top to fight. Because of say no be conventional warfare where we say you go know say okay now your enemy
like as me and you did now make we face our face say one fight.
You know face our I don't already finish you now. There's no point make we dey you see we go dey talk go here you go just carry talk. Why you dey put yourself for I go speak English. Why you putting yourself in harm's way? You when you Boy Scout you no do, man o war you no do. You no even sabi how to jump gutter. You can't dey compare yourself to person wey get military background. Why you go use me and you do example for combat? No. Why you go use me and you do example for combat?
Me and they normally talk. As we dey face ourselves, they talk. You dey see my eyes and you see your eyes. Now me, now the kind of now the example wey they try give.
No, I don't dey give that example. Now my example, I don't know what I dey give.
Now they can't try. I dey try but trust on the example wey you give.
No, allow me to give my
There's
example.
nothing wrong in what I have
done. This one you talk now waiting for military what they call verbal exchange. But the one wey they talk about this serious one now combat. Why you go dey use yourself? They use me. They do example. It don't be like say you go mind yourself.
Right on.
Make I continue with what we discuss.
Right on.
We know say insurgency no be wetin they put timeline on top. Say in 2 months we go end this thing or in 3 months we go end this thing. But considerably we fit do the one wey we say it go dey very very easy for us to finish these people completely. We get Oga Kunle all the way from Kaduna. Oga Kunle, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning,
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
How was your weekend?
Fine, no.
The issue is that make I start from this insecurity. In fact, this thing is going out of hand. I'm telling you, because you imagine where people are praying on Friday, Juma prayer, and there was an explosion there, kill many people. Understand now? So which means that it's only God that knows where is safe in this country now. And again, our security personnel, there's some things they're supposed to be keeping secretly. Not that they will just be going to hear, be talking different things. And we have done that, we have do this, we did this one, and we give them last warning, we do this. Understand now? Let them be silent achievers. Understand now? To achieve this thing. Understand now? Even when you are talking among the security, we don't know who is who. We don't know who is who. Understand now? And again, the issue of this Rivers State election, this thing, understand now? For me, I don't understand what is happening in the South-South. Is it only South-South they conducted the election? Are you going to tell me that it's only South-South there is election malpractice? You tell me that there's no election malpractice in the North? We know of Kaduna where they cancel over 6 local government election. before they announced the result. And they didn't do anything about it. Understand now? As if people just pull the APC, they put eyes on this particular region. Understand now? So the issue is that if the man, because I know, for me, I'm sure, if they do the election even 3 times, the man will still win. Understand now? They should not just bother themselves. Understand now? Except if they announce the APC deal, but if they do the election 3, even 5 times, the man will still win. Understand now? So the issue of Oni of Ife, the man, congratulate the man for Oni of Ife. So big congrats to him.
Okay.
So thank you very much.
Oga, thank you very much.
As you just said, sharp, touch all our news items, them come make plenty important points. Like what we don't emphasize already, say we believe our security people, they're on top of the situation, and like in non-talk, not be every information person they put out
exactly.
there. Even though we know say they won't do good PR, because somehow, if we check the way with our army, they don't do in the past, some things be like say it spoil their name. But we dey believe say them as experts go fit manage the information and use them well. We go back to Yola, collect this call from Oga Gidado. Oga Gidado, good morning, sir.
Uncle B, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Gidado.
How are you now?
I dey fine.
What surprised me is the action of our leaders in Adamawa State. The bomb that took place in Yola is not far from my house. But I was lucky not to be in the mosque. When we started praying, the Christians were praying in Adamawa State for this peace to restore, and the Muslims are also doing the prayers.
Oga Gidado.
Oga Gidado, you did here? It be like say network no gree and complete what
you did there.
Later on, the prayer stopped.
Okay.
And this thing continue happening. Is there anything wrong in praying? Why should the prayer stop? And we have started seeing changes. Ask anybody. Later on, there was no prayers, and this thing came back again in Yola. Look at how people died in this mosque. You understand? And another thing that happened on that Friday, when this bomb exploded, there was no soldier man in that mosque. Immediately after this bomb exploded, by 1 hour, military men came, and they are forcing people to stay away, while people are already started conveying corpse and the injured one to the clinic. They forcefully want to intervene in the evacuation of the people. Suddenly they've started shooting on the air, and suddenly they shot 1 or 2 people there. Is this an addition or a development? This we need to advance ourselves, and we need to look proactive ways in how to reduce this. Now somebody just called you from Kaduna and telling you that we don't know who is who. We need divine intervention. Let the Christians go to the mosque and then pray to go to intervene in these security issues that we are facing in this country. And let the Muslims also be doing. And the security will also be doing. You look at it, that there are different approaches there are many ways of approaching this thing. But we can't just fold our arms and then leave the military alone be doing. We need to be vigilant, be prayerful, and then allow the military also to be doing their work. I believe with this, by December, we are going to be out of this.
Oga Gidado, in fact, thank you very, very much for that contribution. Yes, we don't get your point. This thing are like no be responsibility of one person. The fact say we fight insurgency, no mean say no let the military go carry am for head. Now collective will, Christians or Muslims, so because even the people where they kill all these people, they don't know Christian, they don't know Muslim, they don't know ATR, that's African traditional worshipper. They don't know all these people. Then all they do it, they carry out their own badness the way they want them. We got Ogo Biora all the way from Yola, the same Yola way Oga Gidado call us from. Good morning, Ogo Biora.
Yeah, good morning, good morning. How are you?
We did fine, Oga Biora.
I just as we not put this our strategy for our news this morning. If you are saying another sympathize with us, before.
Oga Biora,
you go raise your voice, but yeah, you were.
I say if you are going to remember this our strategy put on for agenda for today. I do another sympathize for us.
No, we put them. We talk about insecurity, but everybody understand the situation. See what we face for our country. Rather than go they emphasize on plenty of the things, we just say we look the positive side.
So it's unfortunate, sir. So what we are saying in this social river state issue, when you look at this our democracy as of 2015, you see this our change is trying to be changing for worse. When Obasanjo is in power, before election, if election is going on, you will hear the result, and the result will stand. Go to court and they will win because they are in power. But when Yar'Adua enter, Yar'Adua said that he will hold on rule of law and he maintain it. Jonathan come and copy it. That is why APC win in many states. That is why APC is able to win Nigeria today because they don't want anything with Uhuru. But today, Lagos State, the same tribunal, the same issues that the governor of Lagos State used to win the election and the tribunal uphold the election is the same thing that PDP used and the election is qualified in Rivers State. So when you look at this, you see that this APC government, they want to put us in one party, and it cannot happen. When Obasanjo is the president, this social media is not as it is today. Nobody's talking, nobody's saying anything. But today, if APC is thinking that they can do it and get away with it like that time, it may not work. So we pray that they change this method because this is not the type of change we expected. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Obiora, thank you very much for this important point where you don't carry come. And we go talk and here say our hearts go to all the people when we say don't suffer from this Boko Haram Jaguda badness. Now why would they emphasize on top of them every time we get the opportunity? Say make we as a people support our government and our gallant troops them so that we will get Nigeria when we say we no go wake up to bad news every day as it get to do with this Boko Haram Jaguda people. From Yola we go enter Warri. Collect this call from Oga Soliu. Oga Soliu, good morning, sir.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Soliu.
Nkuzi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you now?
We're fine.
Now, well done.
Yes.
What I want to talk, I want to talk concerning these Jaguda people.
Okay.
You see, this our army, the one we get now, they try very well. Before the year say they capture villagers, but now not they hear them again. So, and this status where they use now is very difficult for them. So we will be civilian, we support to help them, to give them information. Because if you leave them, say they carry army, they carry gun, this one now it goes very difficult for them because they don't miss of civilians. Now we go help the army to give them information. Anywhere we see the Soka movement, we're not there where we need to call them and give them information. So army then, the way will be, they get life now. They live the way they're human being like us too now because they carry guns. So we have to assist them to give them information. We should not depend say because of the army. We're not going to help them. You understand? So now my contribution with that, make we just pray, make God help us.
Oga Soliu, thank you very much with that important information where you don't give us. As Oga Soliu don't talk, it's very important make we share information with our security operatives them. But then again, we need to emphasize, say, a person when they give information, they need to protect them and make them they confident. Say this information when they share, now the one we say, then go act upon. No be say I go come share information finish. It go come be like say they no act upon them, or they will go tell other people say, now me they carry information come, make I no be like the army. But quickly we go rush, enter break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it take concern all the action to the way happen inside Nigeria politic arrangement over the weekend. No go anywhere, now still Wazobia TV. And as it is hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.